hatred and murders running rampant these days. Innocent lives are being taken away, and cowards are crossing a line that should never be crossed. People don't even feel safe like before in a church, movie, or bar at the Walmart store. And you don't even dare to be who you are anymore, cause it just might cost you your life. What happened to the world we knew as kids when you wasn't shot down for what you believed and did? Families often would disagree and sometimes fight, but soon everything would be alright. But at least we could lay our heads down in peace at night. It's getting harder every day to outrun our fears, and too many hearts are drowning in a river of tears as we watch the lives of loved ones disappear. Tell me, where in the hell did we go from here? What's going on in this world now is a crying shame when a life has no more value than a video game that teaches how to kill and so much more. We need God's help like never before. How we got here in the first place is a question for us all. It's our generation that has dropped the ball by not teaching the next one accountability. It won't be a quick fix, but it'll be worth it, you see, to change the way of thinking in our kids and get back to the principle of live and let live.